Hello, today we'll be learning how to add elements to your design in Canva. Welcome to this video. My name is Seeley Clark. I will be your trainer for the day. So the first thing you're going to do, if you haven't already, is go to canva.com and create an account. You can also create an account through your Google account or using Facebook, I do believe. So however you want to do it, just get it done, get to your Canva, get the account open. And there's a link below this video, I do believe. If you want to go that way too, you can go that way. Whatever works for you, just sign up and then get on your dashboard. It'll look like this once you sign in. And then what we're going to do is you're going to go to, if you're starting a design from the ground up, you can hit create a design, and then you can pick a design from here. And once you get to your design and you're in there, that is where we're going to be working from. So for the sake of this video's brevity, I'm going to go down to a project I already have opened. We're going to go to this. And so you're working on your design and you want to add an element to make it pop a little better. I'll give you an example. This right here is an element in the background. See how that shows up? It breaks up the dark space. That adds a little depth to the picture, picks up the eye, as does the three-color background. So we're going to show you how to search for elements that will work with whatever you're promoting and whatever design you're using for whatever business that you are in. So if you'll note on the upper left-hand corner, just below the word design is the word elements, and that is where we're going to be living for today. So click on elements, and then you can go down, and it has recently used, if you've already been in there, it has shapes, graphics, or you can use an AI image generator. They have stickers, photos, videos, and they have audio, charts, tables, frames, grids, collections, and a host of other designs down here and flat graphic designs for your choosing. So there's really a large selection of designs for most any season and most any business within Canva. So now if you want to narrow down your search, say for sake of example, I've used pink and two different colors of blue in this YouTube thumbnail. Now, I'm going to want an element that's also along the pink or royal blue or navy blue color scheme for this. So I'm going to search elements. And anytime you can come up here and search, if you want to narrow it down and you're done going through these particular subcategories, you can narrow it down even further. So I'm going to go for shapes because I want another shape like this here. So I'm going to shapes. I'm going to click on shape. And I want to search elements. Once I have cleared, you can see that you have the categories here to browse once you go up in your search elements. Now let me show you that again. So let's say that we're in this section. We go to elements, and then you click on search elements, and this drop-down menu will appear. And it has recently used, or shapes, or stickers, or graphics, or photos. So it's a little easier for you to select where you don't have information overload with all the actual pictures. So you can start from here. So we're going to go to shapes. So what element we're going to be using. So I want something that's going to draw the viewer or reader's eye, really catch their attention, and to get the thumbnail to be noticed so that they'll watch the video in this case. So in your case, it may be so they notice your advertisement for your business and click on the link and go see what you have to offer. So let's see. Now I just clicked on the element, and you can see it appeared here. Now if you want to make this bigger, you can actually go from the corner of the image, click on it, pull, and you'll see here to the right, it shows you the width and the height by pixels. You can bring that wherever you want. For example, I'm using this to highlight the background of my YouTube thumbnail where it has a subtitle because I want that to pop and I want it to stand out. I want this to be centered, and as you can see right there, it is centered in that design. And I still don't quite like the look of it. So what I'm going to do is enlarge it even further. I'm going to use the center feature again. Drag it around. It's in the middle right there. It pops pretty good. The shape's decent. So now, as you can see, I've added an element to your design in Canva, and there it is. I'm not quite sure I like the color, so I'm going to click on that. And then you can come over here and you can actually customize your own color. I want that to match. It matches the pink, or for lack of a better term, what I said was pink at the beginning of the video. Doesn't quite pop how I wanted it to. It takes away from the rest of the thumbnail, so I'm going to get picky. I'm going to come over here. And as you can see, what you do is you go to this add new color, this rainbow design with the plus in it. That'll get you to your color. You can click on this circle, drag it around until you find the right color. I think something a little more pink with a little bit of contrast will work. And I'm not a super huge fan of how that sits, so I'm going to drag it down because I'd like kind of a sunrise effect. And then once you're happy with where your element is, you can bring your text down to match. And since I moved that down, that's a little too small again, so I'm going to enlarge it a bit, bring it over. It's out of the way here. And as you can see, Canva does automatically center things and borderize them. I know that's not a word, but it helps you match up with the edge of the border, get everything even. I'm being picky today, folks. I'm going to go down. There. And as you can see, that is how you add an element to your design in Canva. So if you're doing a YouTube thumbnail, it comes in very handy for creating an eye-catching contrast or shapes, colors, images. Really picks up the eye, draws it, and gets people to click on whatever you are advertising, be that a YouTube thumbnail for your video or a banner advertising for your business. So thanks again for watching how to add elements to your design in Canva. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments, and don't forget to mash that like, subscribe buttons, hit that bell icon, do what you got to do to make this channel grow, and be sure to stick around, become a subscriber to see more videos. And until we talk again, have a great day. Bye-bye.